Hello everyone, welcome to Rail Tales. In this video, I am going to explain about Chardham Railway project which is being constructed in Uttarakhand state. This project was taken up to construct a rail link to four famous pilgrim centers in Uttarakhand state. They are Gangotri, Yamunotri, Kedarnath, Badrinath. They are also called as Chota Chardham, and strategically this project is very important for India. Once this project is completed, India-Tibet border will be closer to the rest of India by rail. It helps to move soldiers and their equipment to borders very quickly. Nearest major towns to these four pilgrim centers are Dehradun and Rishikesh. If you want to reach these four pilgrim centers by railway, first you have to reach Dehradun or Rishikesh. From there, you have to travel by road. Let me show you these four pilgrim centers, Dehradun railway station and Rishikesh railway station on map, and India-Tibet border also. Uttarakhand is present in the northern part of India. This is the Uttarakhand state and it has borders with two countries. This is Nepal. This is Uttarakhand-Nepal border. And this is Tibet. And this black line is Uttarakhand-Tibet border. The four Chardhams are present in Uttarakhand state. And these are also called as Chota Chardhams and Yamunotri, Gangotri, Kedarnath and Badrinath. You can see that four pilgrim centers are very closer to India-Tibet border. Present the only way to reach these four pilgrim centers from Dehradun and Rishikesh by road. Yellow color lines on the map are roadways. Coming to the major towns and nearest railway stations. This railway line is Lucknow Ludhiana railway line. In this railway line there is a station called Luxor. It is a junction railway station. From Luxor railway station there is a branch railway line towards Rishikesh. This railway line goes via Haridwar. Haridwar is also a major pilgrim center. And Rishikesh railway station is a terminal railway station. Rishikesh railway station is the nearest railway station to Yamunotri, Gangotri, Badrinath and Kedarnath. In Rishikesh and Luxor railway line there is a railway station called Raiwala railway station. It is also a junction railway station. From here Dehradun branch railway line starts. Dehradun railway station is also a terminal railway station and it is the second nearest major railway station to these four pilgrim centers. Construction of railway lines from Rishikesh and Dehradun to these four pilgrim centers is called Chardham Railway Project. Coming to the details of Chardham Railway Project, the total length of the railway lines which are being laid as a part of this project is 327 kilometers and the estimated cost for the construction of this project is 43,000 crores. This project works are started in 2017. After Konkan Railways and Jammu Baramulla railway line, this will be the most challenging railway project in Indian railways because the area where these railway lines are constructed is hilly area. So these railway lines has to pass through major tunnels, mountains, and this area is earthquake prone area. Severe cold weather, frequent floods. As a part of this project, two railway lines are constructed. One railway line starts at Rishikesh, another railway line starts at Doiwala in Dehradun Raiwala branch railway line, and Doiwala is very near to Dehradun. Construction of this railway line is divided into phases. In the first phase, Rishikesh Karnaprayaga railway line is under construction. The total length of the railway line is 131 kilometers. As a part of this railway line, new railway station has been constructed at Rishikesh and the name of the railway station is Yognagari Rishikesh railway station. Let me show you the railway lines in the map. First I will show you Rishikesh Karnaprayaga railway line which is under construction. Rishikesh railway station is terminal railway station and there is no way to extend that railway line. So railways constructed a new railway line at Rishikesh outskirts, and as a part of this railway line new railway station is constructed at Rishikesh. That railway station is Yognagari Rishikesh railway station. The existing Rishikesh railway station is very small railway station and there is no way to expand it. This is also another reason for construction of Yognagari Rishikesh railway station. This Rishikesh Karnaprayaga railway line passes through Yognagari Rishikesh railway station. This railway line will have total 11 railway stations, and this railway line passes like this through Devprayag. This is Devprayag, and next it passes through Rudraprayag. This is Rudraprayag, and finally Karnaprayag. Target was set to complete the construction of this railway line by 2024. Next I will show you extension of this railway line, that is Karnaprayaga Sonprayaga railway line. This is Karnaprayaga Sonprayaga railway line which will be constructed in future, and the total length of this railway line is 99 kilometers, and this railway line passes via Saikot. From Sonprayag we can reach Kedarnath easily. The total distance between Sonprayag and Kedarnath is 19 kilometers. Once the construction of this railway line is completed, you can directly reach Sonprayaga by railway. Let me show you Badrinath railway line. This railway line is called Saikot Joshimath Badrinath railway line. The total length of this railway line is 75 kilometers. This railway line starts at Saikot, which is present in Karnaprayag Sonprayag railway line. In this railway line we will have 4 railway stations. From Joshimath we can reach Badrinath. The distance between Joshimath and Badrinath is 37 kilometers. Through the railway line which is being constructed from Rishikesh, we can reach Badrinath and Kedarnath. Let's see the railway lines to Gangotri and Yamunotri. Let's see the railway lines to Yamunotri and Gangotri. This railway line starts at Doiwala railway station, which is present in Dehradun Raiwala branch railway line. To reach Gangotri, a railway line is being constructed between Doiwala and Maneri. The total length of the railway line is 131 kilometers, and it will have total 11 stations. From Maneri you can reach Gangotri. The distance between Maneri and Gangotri is 84 kilometers. Let me show you railway line to Yamunotri. This railway line starts at Uttarkasi, which is present in Doiwala Maneri railway line, and ends at Palar. The total length of the railway line is 22 kilometers. From Palar you can reach Yamunotri. The distance between Palar and Yamunotri is 42 kilometers.